Oh shit. What's going on, y'all? How we doing today? Oh wait, did I take my vitamins today? I did. Whew, I was worried. How's everybody doing? How are we all doing today? What is happening? Time to start resharing everything. Boom, 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 boom. Get this recording going. Okay. Nice. Very nice. All right, we're good. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Put this in the Discord. You guys doing anything today? Currently need shorts on RTY right now, but it's not doing too well. It's consolidating horribly. Live trading. I kind of chose the worst pair to possibly short. Oh, I can't even retweet this here, can I? Because my phone's not registering my Twitter. I genuinely chose the worst pair to short. All right, let's go over price today. We had a crazy move overnight leading into today, dropping like it's hot. Sold off from the 15-minute gap continuation play from the opening run, which was, I believe, like a decent, not really decent short, but like it was all right. I haven't really been too much of a fan of this price action, if you ask me. I'm not going to lie. I think this price action has been pretty mid. I mean, look at how we've just been moving. I really thought, like, I wanted to take a short this morning on on the Dow. The Dow Jones, I had a short idea when we had this SMT set in here inside of this small 4-hour gap like this. And I'm looking and wanting to target these resting lows here. Hold on, get this thing proper. Why is this not moving right? So this is my draw on Dow Jones. This was like the only thing that was really clear to me for a possible execution. It's just the way that it delivered was so chopped up. So you see this lower high set in here On Dow, we have this 4-hour gap. We have SMT within it. You go to the 15-minute time frame, and the 15-minute time frame did the RTY looks so bad. I actually shorted the wrong pair. We have this kind of 15-minute consolidation of price, which is super ugly. But I mean, I would still like to see the continuation lower. I want to see these lows go. I want to see RTY follow the same thing. If I go to the daily time frame, look at the daily chart, look at what we are doing here. We have this daily untapped fair value gap. This is my key level that I'm looking to see price gravitate into, trade down into this, and then eventually go higher from there. That will be a beautiful key level to frame higher time frame trades, to lower time frame executions on. So that is why is this doing that? Like, it's actually annoying. It's very annoying. But I would love to see lower prices be given for us on this. What is happening? Why do I keep on glitching? Like, stay in your place, please. But I am currently in this short on RTY like this with a reduce risk BE here. Dalasan, Shoreline Mafia. Huh? How about now? Does my mic sound bad? Guys, I might just buy a new mic today. Does my mic sound bad? Let me know in the chat. Hold on. It could be mic settings. Muffled. Oh. How about now? Is that better? Is that better now? Yeah, I have my mic settings to my camera. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't know why that was set up like that. Apologies. But yeah, that's my current higher time frame view. I definitely want to see price reach into higher time frame key levels, fair value gaps, daily gaps. I'm also paying attention to gold. I want gold to trade down into this daily gap like this. This looks very promising, especially with the daily open here being flat. I would love to see an SMT being created in this daily fair value gap, frame a trade off of this, and then go long. That would be great. I feel like we've just been so extended on these runs, and like I would love to be a part of these runs, but I need a retracement for me to get in. So if I can get a retracement and a retracement into a higher time frame key level, that's beautiful for us to then have a continuation play based off of a higher time frame order flow. And then also like looking at these other pairs that we're like trading here, same sort of ordeal. Like I want to see a retracement from this extensive move. Like we're slowing down. Obviously, we're getting a drop on the Dow Jones, looking like come down to here, run this external significant sell side liquidity pool. We could do that. Then I'd be super ready to continue long. I also don't know why this is not fucking dropping. I might have to close this out because I don't like how slow it's moving. I might close it out on some of these accounts. I think I'm going to close it out on these. I'm not going to lie. And leave it on these accounts. Yeah, I'll close it on there and then I'll leave it. Do you think short on Dow from the breaker is good? Honestly, the more that I'm looking at this, the more I feel retarded for taking RTY. I'm genuinely not a fan of YM right now at all. Like I'm not. But I want to see. Wait, you said what did you say? 15-minute breaker? No, you didn't say what time frame breaker. I don't see a breaker set up on here. In my opinion, I don't see what you're looking at. Is this what you're talking about? Like this? I wouldn't count that as a. I wouldn't count that really as a breaker personally. God, I put myself in such a shit position with this. Why are some of your candles? I'm about to close this trade. Yeah, I'm fucking closing this. This is absolute dog shit. Brother. All right, I closed that. Fuck that. I did not like how we traded within this 15 minutes with this 15-minute consolidation, and how this is like kind of trading through this 5-minute gap. Today was a weird day. Weird day. The shorts that were actually offered, though, at Equities Open were decently nice. There was a hourly SMT inside of this gap here, like this. But you would have had to execute before the open. And that's honestly something that I'm noticing. This entire week, the only moves that have been given are the ones that are in before the open, which is not something that I like doing. I personally don't like doing that. And it would have had to be a short from the 5-minute breaker like this with your stop at the high. That would literally be the only way that I could have seen to get in. But I'm not doing that. I am not a fan of pre-market executions. I really don't like them. Really, really don't like them. Matt, if 8:30 is manipulation, you're still waiting on. Wait. Yes. Or if it's like completely obvious in regard, like let's say if I do a diagram, let's say that price is kind of consolidating like this, and then 8:30 comes in, manipulates into a key level, like an external range liquidity pool or a internal range liquidity pool, whatever it might be. And then you have options between an IFVG, you have options between a order block like this, like this, and this will obviously be vice versa if this is bearish with bearish order blocks, bearish breakers. And then you have like a breaker like this. And then price after the news release, like here's news. And then boom, we set in a low. Then we start inching and climbing prior to the open, we confirm all of this, and then we get like that, I would get in here with my stop close to the low before equities open, and then assume that equities open would be giving me a move just continuing based off of us already manipulating. That's what I would do. I would have to be like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Thank God I closed this trade on RTY. Thank God. Turned up. I'm way too geeked. Get your girl off me. Does that make sense how I said it in that diagram? I hope that cleared it up for you. Hope that cleared it up for you, brother. I think after we ran, well, we cleared out an extreme liquidity pool pretty early today, being this low from Thursday, which kind of capped out the daily range. We even ran lower. We ran lower on NQ and ES to that Thursday low, this external range liquidity pool. This was the cap off of the daily range. Price doesn't need to go much lower after this. So based off of this play and this daily candle closure, depending on if we close above this low or below it, if we close below it, then I'm going to anticipate price is going to then gravitate to this low next. And then that same corresponding low is this one on ES, but I think if we are going to look for something even deeper, if we close below this low, this is vulnerable next. So I would look for a continuation based off of this daily candle closure tomorrow. If we don't get a continuation, then we trade back into the range from yesterday or from today. Oh, yeah, continuation play. How can you choose your pair, NQ or ES, or is it for the one who came in the first entry? It's based off of, personally, how I'm looking at it. It's always going to be based off of whichever offers the cleanest entry mechanism, and on top of that, risk to reward to draw on liquidity. What are you saying? I'm not, brother. Be patient. Five-minute order block long. Why were you long? At 10:15. Well, keep in mind, brother, what are you looking to target here? We had price trading into a 15-minute fair value gap, resting here. This 15-minute fair value gap on NQ and ES that also had SMT within. So you're kind of trading against the flow of how the daily candle is printing. The daily candle printed open, high, low, close. So realistically, you're going to assume any retracement is just going to be a short opportunity. You're trading against the formation of the daily candle, which is something that you probably should not be doing. Get real data on NQ. Yeah, what? No, you have to pay the plan. Pay $7 for the real-time data. You have to do that. That's like a non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. That was a clean short at 9:40. That 5-minute order block. Was there an SMT set in? That was clean. There. Did you take that? That was super clean. I don't know if I would short it today, but I would look to short it tomorrow. That daily gap is looking juicy to me. I want it to come down into here, take out that low from Tuesday. That's my juice. That is my juice. Yeah, holy seek and destroy on RTY. What is price doing now? This is wild. PA today. This range was fucking huge. Now we're curling hard. It's really not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, yeah. Once we reach that daily key level, you could for sure get a swing trade off once the hourly provides a change in the state of delivery. Once that's confirmed on the hourly, boom, shoot for the stars for that shit. Yeah, use those three as the trifecta. ES, YM, and Q. How can you confirm your daily SMT? NQ is just bouncing based off of already reaching a daily objective. It's just going to retrace back into the range. This was the objective today on NQ and ES, that Thursday low. And once price reaches that point, it is going to then most likely consolidate or range bound for a preparation of a move tomorrow. I did take a trade short on RTY, but I closed it early. I lost actually, I didn't really lose anything. I think I lost like $100. Yeah, I lost $106. I closed it early though, like literally at 11:15. Basically after this candle closure here, or within this candle here. Now this thing is going crazy. Ooh, wait, hold on. Do you want me to add you into it? It's on YouTube. No, it's on Blue Guardian Futures TV.
I'm literally in Blue Guardian Futures.
Hold on. I'm going to send it to you.
Okay. Oh, I found it. Bro, they're kind of silly for having 2 YouTube channels. Okay. Yo, bro, they gotta run this better.
Do you want me to invite you?
I'm in.
I know, but I can invite you as a guest.
What do you mean invite me as a guest?
Like they can hear you, but they won't see you.
No, I'll just go through your phone. I can hear myself on there.
Chat, do you recognize that voice? Talk.
How's it going, everyone?
Someone tell me who that is. Oh yeah, they got it immediately.
It's Rob.
Literally,
No, it's Rob.
literally.
It's Rob. Bro, my stream's in like 20 minutes, so.
Oh no, you're fine.
Bro, I was looking at the main channel. I didn't realize there was a second channel.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I need to get you on here. I need to get you. How does that sound like Ralph?
The voice, Ralph.
How does that sound like Ralph? You know what's so funny right now? I have the power in my hand.
I gotta call. I'll be right back.
All right, bet. I had the power, guys. I had the power in my hands, literally on FaceTime call, to show everyone what T trades looked like. I had the power in my hands to do that. I literally could have went like this, and then all of you guys would have seen. The first ever docs of T trades on GuardianTV. I would never do that. Did you hear?
Show my face, bro. That's crazy.
No, I literally said to them, I was like, I have the power in my hands to literally dox T trades. I would never do that. They're going to show us next time. No. It's not GXT.
Garrett face revealed on his Insta with like a filter. That shit's funny.
I know. I slid up on it. I was like, what? I was like, what kind of docs is this? And then he said study. I was like, okay.
It's funny, man.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I need my car back from the shop. Yo,
I'm getting a GLE 63S.
You saw my car, right?
Yeah, the Q6 5.
No, the RS Q8.
That's fire. T, tell the chat, what do you think price is going to do tomorrow? We just printed a mean C3, huh?
Well, it depends if we like close like this or if we bounce.
If we close below the low from Thursday?
Like I want us to close like just in the lows, like below that low and ideally below the, what is that? If we can close below January 6th low, that'd be kind of fire.
Yeah, I want us to close below January 8th low. If we can close below that, it would be tough.
Bro, this is my car. texted it to you.
Can I show the chat?
Just as long as it doesn't show my name or anything.
I'm not showing your name. Oh, it's so blurry.
Anyway, I'll get a better photo. Hold up.
I'll show you guys his car.
I'll just get an image of it.
But yeah, dude, if we close below 568, then that's just a mean print for us to then go to January 2nd. Well, January's low.
That's my car. I didn't take a photo of my actual car in my license plate, but that's the same.
All right. Well, you're not on call, so this is nobody can see what you look like, but that's the car. It looks like a Urus, but nicer.
It is. It has the same engine.
It's an Audi RS Q8. T has hair that goes down to his back.
Bro, my hair's not longer now.
His hair, and he has a ponytail.
Oh, yeah. It's actually blue hair.
With purple highlights.
Yeah, the blue they messed up, so I just highlighted it purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Yeah, I'll definitely come to Tampa, though. End of the month. I'm game.
All right, end of the month, be able to grow here, right?
Guys, we could set up a mean short for tomorrow.
Don't respond.
Wait, who's that?
I'll talk to you after.
Bet. Hey Matt, tell him thanks for the YouTube video and tell him don't stop posting. I'm pretty sure he's not gonna stop posting, but they said they said thank you for the YouTube videos.
Bro, are you whitening your teeth lately?
Yo, how white are they?
They're white. Bro.
They're white as fuck, right?
That's so white.
Dude, so what I did, no, chat, life hack. So actually, I'm gonna show you guys these. Hold on, I'll show you. Wait, look at speaking of the devil, look who's fucking calling me right now. I'm gonna add him to this call. It's dodgy. Chat. Put these on and leave them on overnight.
What is it?
I've done 3 days and my teeth are pearly white.
Bro, you shouldn't leave them on overnight. That's crazy.
I leave them on overnight, bro. And you'll literally have pearly white teeth. I'm planning on getting an AMG GLE 63S.
Yo, how do you do the thing where you like put the bandana on like your whole head?
Wait, guys, you hear? Guys, whose voice is that? Chat, someone in chat, guess who that is?
Dude, how do you do like the thing where you put the bandana on your head? Like,
Dodgy, fold it in half once, corner to corner.
Okay.
Okay. Then you're gonna put that
Like
whatever
this?
then grab it so it's long wise.
You guys got it.
Okay.
Grab each side of it. Then you're gonna have it so like the corner is pointing backwards towards the back of your head.
Like
Is that what
this?
you mean? No, other way. So like put it over your head, kind of.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, and then pull it back, like scoot. Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I could show you guys what he's doing right now.
I bet.
Yeah, but like around behind your ears, type.
Yeah, I see.
Bro's never had to do that for a woman. No, not like that, bro. You look like you're a sheep farmer.
Wait. Like,
Ooh, we're coming back lower again, guys.
Like from your forehead, tie it backwards.
Oh, I see, like that.
Coming back lower.
No. Bro just has to be trolling here.
Oh,
Yeah,
like
like that.
this.
Yeah, like that. But get it all the way through your hair.
Bruh. I'm gonna get some sick Instagram flicks now.
Yo, Dodgy, how white are my teeth right now?
Wait, let me see. There's like a little yellow.
There's no yellow,
You
fucking
gotta
loser.
Cover up your hair, bro. You can't have
Let
it
me
like
see.
pointing out like that.
I had to cover my hair.
Yeah, you gotta do it. Like, otherwise you look. I don't know. You know the people like wear a baseball cap and like they have their hair out the front of it.
Dodgy, chat asked if you took a trade today, or Dodgy take
Yeah.
short.
Yeah, I called 3 wins and I took the 1 win. It was like 4 or 5R.
You guys hear that?
I shorted the 1 minute BPR right off open to the trend line liquidity. I literally posted the whole move in my story saying this is what I'm looking at. We need an hourly gap. If we reject this gap, I think we're going to run all the trend line liquidity in the hourly. And then at open, we got the BPR. We tapped the rejection block in the 15 minute. And then we inversed the 1 minute BPR and I shorted and I held for like 5R.
Since when do you use rejection blocks?
It's just
Bro, I've used rejection blocks for like 4 years, bro.
See, bro, look at that. You can say thanks to T Trades for making you look like not dumb.
Yo, why you like look like gangster now, bro? Let's like you look like a Philly bull.
Dude, I'm excited, bro.
Here, wait.
Tell him to go watch my live trade recap on
Wait,
Instagram.
I'm blocking.
Follow.
I'm blocked. T, turn your camera off on FaceTime.
Yeah, hold up.
All right, now you're good. Okay, chat, ready? I'm gonna show you guys what Dodgy looks like right now.
Yeah, boy. Pretty hard. Hey, don't come to my block. Get off my block. I run this hood.
Bro.
They're gonna make a instead they had 22 Jump Street. They're gonna make a 23 Jump Street, and it's gonna have Dodgy in it.
You guys should have seen how he was trying to put it on before I told him how to do it.
I wish I showed you guys the tutorial of what he was just doing.
All right, Calvin, you ready?
Guys, we might die on YM here.
All right.
All right, yeah. I'll talk to you guys later on. All right.
What's the market doing?
We're dumping again, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna dump to that new opening gap.
Ba ba ba.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes. I know what you're
Like,
talking
or
about.
something.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, goodbye.
All right. Peace, y'all. I'll talk to you later, T. All right, guys. That was a little group FaceTime call with everybody, right? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't understand any sort of mechanisms that Dodgy trades whatsoever. I really don't. I just typically use him like when I was on stream when we were in Mexico, like it was all entertainment. It was basically all entertainment purposes. Like it was all just funny shit. Like literally. When you guys were watching and listening to the streams, like the kid's mind is just ping-ponging back and forth. We might get a short here on YM though. Yeah, sure. If you want to look for a scalp short, sure. That retracement was pretty decent. Created SMT also with what's it called? ES and NQ at these short-term highs. I still think that the Dow comes down to 49,000. I think it rinses all these lows. Look at that 4-hour candle too. I feel like this 4-hour candle's got to come down to here. Oh, shit. Look at that 15-minute candle closure, too. Now, where is weekly? Previous weekly low is here. Previous weekly low is here. Go back to this chart. Oh, wow. Look at how close we are to previous weekly low. YM might not even give this short. I think this thing is just going to die. Dude, why does this keep on moving my charts whenever I adjust it? I wonder if I'm good to go to the gym today after being sick. Definitely think it can go lower. Matt, if previous weekly low fails to manipulate, price will go short. Yes. If we fail to manipulate that low from Thursday, then we will continue short tomorrow. Because this is my daily target. My daily target is here. Like, we are having an explosive move lower right now. I would have loved to short the Dow, but it's not going to give me my entry. Thing is just fucking falling off. Like, look at the 1 minute time frame. Look at this thing. This is literally a fucking V. Upside down V. This PA is wild. This PA is wild. Staircase PA is right. Mohawk haircut PA type is right. It is not forgiving on the bleed. Factor in how the weekly candle's printing, brother. We set in a high at Monday. Or sorry, Tuesday high of week. We're going to just gravitate lower. Like, literally just gravitate lower. That is the only thing that genuinely makes sense. Holy fucking shit. We are just absolutely getting crushed, bro. We are getting absolutely smoked. This is not allowing any sort of means of execution. What the fuck? It's like New Year, say goodbye to anything above 1 minute executions. 5 minute executions or 15-minute are just getting torched. Like you literally just can't do it anymore. I had a RTY short that I closed basically break even. I had shorts down here, but I closed it basically at entry. Man, I really wanted to short the Dow. Bitcoin has been exploding too at the same time, which is wild. Is SMT optional? No. I require SMT always. I always require SMT. Non-negotiable for me. No, it does not look good, bro. Take gold down lower, please. Gold lower to that daily gap, and then we can long after. If this plays out, then we're good. No, I did not. Okay. Please tell me I can log into my Twitter now on my phone. 139428. Idiots. Okay. Breakaway gaps as it affects your entries. Breakaway gaps only form when price is creating an SMT at a gap, allowing it to become a breakaway. In regards to, well, I already trade 30 accounts. Like I have right now, I copy trade 30 accounts together. So it's just basically road to $1 million payout. It's actually crazy though how you develop over time as you get more and more comfortable with your trading. I used to be nervous trading fucking one account, and now I have been doing this for so long. I'm so comfortable with my trades. I'm so comfortable with my execution now that I have that like time under my belt, which it does take time to get that confidence to execute based off of 30 accounts. I can now execute trades and not even blink an eye if I'm losing a trade throughout all of them, because I know all I'm doing is literally just executing my model, following my system, and clicking the button. Whether it's one account or if it's 30 accounts, it doesn't make a difference. Longevity of my edge, profitability. Any free trade copier, Tradeovate's copier, you could use Tradeovate's. I mean, like, I will not push for Project X because I think Project X is the worst platform ever created. So I will tell you guys to trade the Tradeovate accounts and the Tradeovate built-in copier. I am completely against Project X. But good for you guys that Blue Guardian has Tradeovate options. So that's the ones that I will push you guys to get. Yeah. Thank God you guys are removing Project X. They're just the least not rely. I've just seen way too many issues with them, and coming into a trading day and then having you're not able to take trades, or let's say like you do take a trade and it's a winning trade and they're like, oh, for that day we had issues on our platform, so we're wiping out your wins or your losses for that day. Like, go fuck yourself. How about that? Like, literally go fuck yourself. That's just so scammy. So scammy. Okay. I'm going to do the giveaway word now. And I have a word that is on my mind. I'm going to say it in I'm going to say it in 30 seconds. Say it in 30 seconds. All right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The word is healthy, because I feel much better and I'm not really sick anymore. LL, I'm not sure if you want it. LL1618 and Insane Chili. Screenshots. Gideon, I'm sending this to you. Right there. LL and Insane Chili. What, you guys were typing out 30 seconds? That was the timer for it. You guys are funny, bro. All right, open up your tickets in the Blue Guardians Futures Discord. Also, make sure that you guys are being a part of the streams with Ralph too, because Ralph is also doing the giveaways as well. I have another stream again tomorrow, which is really cool. But same sort of deal. Really quick recap. This daily candle, explosive move, explosive expansion lower. The next means of where price is most likely going to gravitate to is this external low at 25,265 on NQ. We're probably going to get this low at 49,000 on the Dow Jones. We might even get it today, but I'm looking at this draw lower here. If we run and trade inside of this daily candles range, tomorrow we open higher to then go lower. That's what I'm going to assume. And then also this same low here corresponding on ES. This is what I'm looking at. And then also this new week opening gap here on ES. So pay attention to these key levels. This is what I'm watching. I want to see a continuation lower, and that is what I want. That is what I want. Oh, wait, sorry. Yeah, sorry. I apologize. It was not Insane Chili. Yeah, I apologize about that. It's LL1618 and it's Shorty X ZN8IP. I apologize. Short, you're right. You are the second person. You're the second person right there. There's the second person. I completely looked past that. My bad. Open up your ticket, and then you'll get handled. So I already have the screenshot, so you'll be good anyway. But LL1618 and Short X ZN8IP. Both of you guys go claim your free accounts. Thank you guys all for being a part of this. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Good luck at trading if you take anything for the rest of the day. And good luck at trading tomorrow. And we'll go over if anything could be of substance for us to execute on. Deuces, everybody. Good stream.